First thing first, let's define some primary colors of the system. So I'm just randomly choosing some colors, so it's not important. I think okay, this will be our darker tone. So all we have to do is go to colors and create this one, and we can rename it primary. And the second color will be lighter tone. These are not important, guys. I'm just doing this because it's easier for us in any project to change these things in the centralized settings like this if we save these things as assets. So you guys can just ignore this part if you don't want to. And I save this one as secondary. Okay, and we will also save white color for the background, and you can call it peachy or white, whatever you want to call it. So let's just create a dummy interface. Let's see, maybe we divide the screen into half, and here we may have some content. We don't need the border, so let's have some content. um, Title, we can define these things, but for this tutorial you don't need these things, so maybe we just change the, if you don't want to see this designing part, you guys can just ignore this part and go straight to the scroll bar section. I will mark down where I start that part. Anyway, let's make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, and make a primary color for this one. And so second thing I will do is I will create some dummy text here, and we don't need this. We have to change this size, so we will make it 12. 12 is too small, maybe 18, and make some white color and change the bold to semi-italic. And okay, anyway guys, this is not important, so we come to the second part. So this is where we are going to create the scrolling content. So first we create a, let's give a background color first, and we apply the secondary and remove the border. And so this is going to be our scrolling content, and we apply peachy color to that. We don't need the border. Let's assume we will have some content inside, so we will create something simple. Maybe there is a image here and some text, and we make this one little bit bigger, 24 probably, and make it bold, and apply primary color, and same way we will have the text box area here. So let's go and copy some dummy text and place it here. Okay, and resize. You can have these texts as character styles here as well, but I just ignore that one for now. Make it regular size, light, semi light, yeah, and 14, maybe 12. Oh, it's too much. It's okay, we can just leave it as it is and change the color to primary, and bring this one a bit like, and now with the new responsive design you can just resize these things to any scale. It will not affect the design, so you don't need to worry about that. So we just leave this, and now what we have to do is group this one first, and let's repeat it. Also guys, I forgot to add one more thing. Let's have a header and footer, so then we can define the scrolled area. So I just have a header, and apply a gray, maybe white color is fine, and just remove the border, and we call it head, and make it 14 and gray, and place it here, and I think we change the font size to bold as well, and we can have a footer, or we can just ignore the footer for now. Let's repeat this using the repeat grid, and maybe we have 6, or let's have 9. Okay, ungroup the grid. Okay, our scrolling content is ready. Then let's create the scroll bar. These things no need to be same size, we can resize them, but for this tutorial it's not important. So let's make the scroll bar. Yeah, let's start from here. In here we don't need the border. Give a primary color, and we will have, let's have the scroll bar like this, and the secondary, I think beige color, and remove the border. We don't need to keep exactly the same size, we can have it a little bit smaller, will look nicer I think. Let's I think this is okay, maybe a little bit yeah, I think this is fine. Okay, one more thing, we will put the scroll icon also here, and we don't need the border. We will have the secondary color for this, and Let's draw uh, the arrow key here, and yeah, that's fine. And we can keep it like this, it's looking nice. So we center this one, make it a group, and copy and rotate it 90 degrees. Sorry guys, rotate it 180 degrees, and place it in the bottom. Let's align all of them center. Okay, it's fine. Then okay, this step is okay guys, I will copy this into 3, and later I will tell you why I did this part. Okay, right, so we copy these things into 3, center them, and bring this bar to here. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, all right. So what we have to do now is we we have to mask these scrollable content and show only the screen area. To do that, first thing first, we have to group all of these. Control G. Okay, it's grouped already. Then we draw a rectangle from here to here, and this one we don't need border, and click both of these and right click and mask with shape. Right, okay, so we are almost done. Next thing is, okay, before we continue, we have to name them properly. So this is our scalable content. This step is very important guys. We need to name them and make sure we use the same name in all artboards, then only this thing will work. Okay, so we name the asset. To name them, we click on the asset and go to the layers panel, and this group just name them anything. Scroll content. Yeah, it's fine. Then we have to name these things also. Just name them the same name. Don't worry about repeating. S dot bar. Same for this one. Rename S dot bar, and this one S dot bar. Okay guys, we're almost there. Next step is click on this top title of the artboard and drag while clicking Alt key 1, and we do one more 2. Okay, all right, so next we delete unnecessary bars. This is the first view they are going to see, so we don't need these two, and we delete the top and bottom here, and we delete both of these here. Okay, so we have scroll bar in three different stages. Okay, guys, just close this one. Okay, let's move the content area also accordingly. So double click on this and double click on this and select the content and hold down the shift key and move up the content. I think uh yes, this is fine. I think this is fine. Oops, I think a little bit more should be fine. Yep. And same with this, double click, hold down the shift key, and we show this one. Yeah. Okay, we are almost done. Again, make sure the names are same and scroll content, scroll content, scroll content. Yes. So all names are same. Oh, we forget to name one more thing. So this one will be top. I top. No. This one will be up. Up also up. 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 Actually, this one you don't need to name, but never mind. Down. And down. Okay, all is good. Let's make the interactions. To do the interaction, you need to go to prototype mode and select bar and link this to the third one, not the second one, third one. I will tell you why. Select this at the, select this at third bar and in the trigger choose drag, auto animate, and is you can just say non. Okay, so also do the same with this one. Go back to the first, drag auto animate none. So let's play and see. Oh yes, it's working. Then go back. All working. Yes, it's working. Okay guys, I think this is fine. So let's go into the next step. Why do we need the center one? Okay, I will show you why we need the center one. Just click on this. Actually, when you click on in this stage, bar cannot go up, so ignore this button. Click on the bottom button and link to the center artboard, and in this case the trigger will be tap and auto animate same. Just easing, yeah, we just give a bounce and see how it will look. Let's see. Yes, same for this one. Okay, and same for this one. Okay, this and go to this level and auto animate and easing is bounce. For this, same, auto animate bounce, and this will be here, tap. Okay, so I think we are done. Let's play and see how our bar is working. Okay, drag is working, and if you click on this one, yes, it's nice. Yeah, yep. If the bounce is not, it's okay, but maybe we change the bounce to something else. maybe mm, easing or snap. Let's see how the snap will look. Ah, yes, I think snap is fine, right? Okay, let's change to snap. All right, this one also snap, and this one snap. Okay, now bar is working, and yes, button is working as well. Yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this kind of videos, if you like these kind of things, please let me know, so I will do more videos similar to this in the future. And thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.